Hey guys, welcome to MT Paradise. If you've never seen this channel before, welcome. You might have clicked on this video because of the title, but I'm going to be talking about how I was able to buy this Porsche Cayman S as well as a brand new house. Alright, so my Porsche Cayman is a 2014 Cayman S. It's not just a baseline. I had to go with the bigger engine. So this Cayman S is actually equipped with the Sport Chrono package, which gets it from 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds, which is very impressive. Alright, so the biggest question you might have is, I was able to buy this Cayman as well as a 2,400 square foot house. The answer is actually very simple. Alright, so buying a Porsche has always been a dream of mine. And honestly, buying this at the age of 26 is completely mind-blowing to me. I thought this would never happen until maybe I retire or just later on down the road. But the secret is a Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 job most likely will not pay for this, honestly. Depending on your job, I mean, probably yes, but it's just not very practical. Alright, so I started off at 14 mowing lawns, and as soon as I turned 16, I was able to get my first job. And all I did was just put money in the bank and just save, save, save. That is the biggest secret to buying whatever you want, honestly. Actually, if it's practical and convenient to you, make your hobbies profitable. What I mean by this is don't have hobbies where you just buy, collect all these like little figurines and things to put up on a shelf. No, what you need to do is, if you do get into like figurines or something like that, is find the ones that are worth money, try to flip them, resell them, make money in the long run. So actually, it's not even a secret at all. The truth is, save as much as you can. You want to budget, you work hard, you stay dedicated, you don't slow down, never give up, and you can have whatever you want in this world. You have to work towards it and go accomplish it. So the 2014 Cayman 981 has a center console that is made to resemble the 911. It's practically identical. And there's some other features in the car that actually look just like the 911. For example, the wheels are actually 20-inch 911 wheels. So one of the things I love about Porsche is because the engine's in the back, the front is actually storage. Alright, so to show you exactly how big the front trunk is in this car, that's how much room is in the front of this car. I am 6 foot tall and I can completely fit in this front trunk. But one of the biggest reasons why I bought a Cayman over a 911 is 911s have small back seats and no rear trunk because the engine sits on top of and behind the rear axle. Whereas the Cayman has a mid-engine, which actually sits about right here. So that since the engine is in front of the rear axle, it's a mid-engine, but because it's so far forward, it leaves a little bit of a gap in the back. I have a rear trunk as well. And because it is a mid-engine car, a lot of cars have the fuel tank somewhere in the back. However, Porsches, if you didn't know, have it in the front because right in here is actually where the fuel tank is located. Alright, so if you're watching this and you've seen this car and you love it, don't think it's going to stay stock because this Cayman is actually going to get, hopefully, a race livery, and the little wing in the back might be getting significantly larger. So we'll definitely see about that in the future. Alright, so one of the best things about the 981 Cayman S, this exhaust sounds absolutely incredible. And this is the completely stock exhaust. Alright, so here's a cold, slightly warm start in a 2014 Porsche 981 Cayman S. So as you might have noticed, I went with the automatic PDK transmission over manual. And one of the reasons is just the fact that the PDK is so good. One of the cool things is that the steering wheel, every time I switch into different modes, you actually see like the little light come on. And it tells you what mode you're in. And then whenever I do launch control, it'll pop up here with launch control. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go down, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more content with this Porsche, definitely hit that subscribe button, come back for more videos. Because I will tell you that this car, this is just the beginning. I plan on doing a lot of modifications. The exhaust, yes, sounds amazing. However, it's probably getting straight piped. But also the car is going to get a full wrap. It's going to be absolutely insane. So definitely hit that subscribe button down below, and definitely stay tuned for more projects with this 981 Cayman S, because this is just the beginning. And as always, thank you for watching.